Yo, how's it going, guys? Back again with another video. Haven't uploaded in like 10 days. I was out in Mexico, out on vacation, but we're back now. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to write blog posts that actually rank, all with AI. I'm going to be going through this SOP right here that I built. This exact SOP. I'm going to leave it linked in the description as well so you guys can copy it, have it for whenever you need it. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So in case you're living under a rock and you don't know what a blog post is, it's literally just like an article on Google. So for example, one of my clients right here, you go on the blog section. Most websites have a blog section. It's just stuff like this, like, some basic articles like this one. And the point of these is to drive more traffic into your website because Google sees that as a ranking factor and whatever, there's a bunch of benefits from it, but this is the exact procedure on how to build, good, well-structured blog posts that actually rank, all with AI. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do, which is like what sets the foundation for everything, you really want to try hard to get this right, is your keyword research. So the way that I like to do this is I'll just go into ChatGPT, and we're gonna be doing this for a pool construction company today. So go into ChatGPT and just say something like, give me some keyword ideas for a blog post for a pool construction company. And after it gives you the full list, you're just gonna go in whatever tool you're using. Right now I'm using SEO Utils, and you're just gonna do some keyword research, see what keywords have good traffic going to them, and see which ones you're gonna try to target. So that's the boring part. I'm gonna cut off the video and I'll be right back once I have the keyword. So the keyword that I chose is how much does it cost to build a pool. So we're not gonna do that exact keyword. We're gonna throw in Orlando at the end to localize it. So after you have your keyword, you're going to want to go into Perplexity, copy this prompt right here, which is all going to be linked in the description. Here, get your keyword, paste it right here, and see what it writes. So after you have what Perplexity said, you're going to want to go back to the SOP, copy this entire prompt right here, all this, and just paste it into ChatGPT. Basically what this does, it's called Sparkle. I don't even know exactly what it does. I just know that it writes content really good. So that's why you do that. And after that, you're gonna wanna paste in the Perplexity research and have ChatGPT just create the structure of the blog. So we copy this, go here, title, get the keyword, put it here, and then get everything that Perplexity said, copy, and then paste right here, and then get the structure of the blog. And then after that, you're going to want to copy this entire prompt right here. ChatGPT prompt is what it's called. And paste it in right here. This is just a writing guideline. And paste your website's URL right here. CustomOrlandoPools.com. And then you're going to want to choose like one or two sources for ChatGPT to include when they write the post. So just go back into Perplexity and just find a few sources. Also, another thing, whenever you're getting these sources, make sure you pull from something that isn't a local business, because you don't want to be giving these local businesses free backlinks. So right now I'm only going to use Manta. That's like the only option that they're really giving me. And most of the time you don't even really want more than one external link. So yeah. So after you have your external link, you're going to want to go back in here, or no, back into chat, external link, paste that right here. And then for internal links, you're going to want to get your site's your website sitemap. So you go your URL /sitemap.xml. There, now you want to go to page and just really copy the entire sitemap. So these are going to be the internal links for your post, because you want to have some internal links in your own post. Go here, paste that in. So after you paste that in, this isn't on the SOP, but some people like to just paste in like two sections at a time, because they say the quality is better and whatever. I just do the whole thing to not waste time. So you just copy the entire structure again, come back here, paste that, and let it write it out. So after it's written everything out, you don't have to do this, but it definitely helps. You tell them this to find a good spot to put an infographic. And then after you get that spot, you go into this AI right here called Napkin, and it literally makes you an entire infographic for free, which is crazy. So let's see. So we can use this right here and make an infographic out of that. So I don't know why, but this app right here is bugging right now. It's been on the loading screen for like 5 minutes, so guess we're just gonna skip this step, but definitely do this whenever you guys have the chance. It works really well. So the next few steps are pretty simple. You're just gonna ask them to write a 5-question fact, and then you want to get your metadata, so the title, meta description, and slug, and just some common requirements right here. And then you want to tell them to create an image, and then just put everything together. Make sure title tags are correct, SEO title, categories added, add the image with alt text, and you're done. So after you have all that, literally all that's left is just pasting everything right onto WordPress or whatever other CMS you guys are using. And yeah, let's do that and I'll get back. One last thing I forgot to mention, we got everything pasted in, but since this is a localized blog post, I'm gonna have ChatGPT just write a call to action. So write a CTA, and yeah, this is everything right here. This is the picture, all the metadata, and the FAQ. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's the entire SOP. Once again, if you want to check it out, it's going to be here in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to keep seeing good SEO content like this, leave a like, follow, subscribe. And if you want me to help you with any of your SEO efforts, hit me up. There's a link in my bio where you can reach to me personally. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and have a good day. Peace.